Hello, this is Professor Ada Thanassopoulos-Zekos, a faculty member in the Geosystems program at UC Berkeley. We feel there are many things that set our program apart, but something that truly makes us unique is our strong and diverse alumni network. Our alumni are spread all over the world and hold many different positions in companies, in the industry, government agencies, academic institutions. A common thread among them all is their level of excellence that they carry with them since their days as graduate students in our program. But you don't have to take my word for it. Let's hear from some of our alumni.
My career, well, I wouldn't have, it completely defined my career, actually. So it has made a huge difference to me personally and professionally, all the way through.
Studying geotechnical engineering at UC Berkeley, in a sense, defined my career. I don't believe I would have had the same fulfilling career path in the field and firm of my choice if I hadn't gone to UC Berkeley for graduate studies.
I am so grateful for my time at Berkeley and the education I've received. Truly a world-class education that has taught me how to think, it's taught me how to solve problems, and it has connected me with true leaders in our profession.
I always cherish how much I got out of that year in the geotech department. The depth of the relationships I built over time, both across students, the PhD community, and the professors, have really lasted till now. And I always look back to that year as one of the most defining moments in my life.
The education was really fantastic. And not only the engineering education, but also observing them as people and the many soft skills and life lessons that I learned from them that have served me well throughout my career. Things like leadership, motivation, teamwork, building teams, being a good communicator. They're all important.
UC Berkeley degree, a geosystems degree, has put me in the Berkeley Mafia more so, but what it has done for me is it's been impactful with my career in the sense that it's an indicator of competence, excellence, and the ability to adapt and solve problems.
Well, I don't think it's a stretch to say that the whole trajectory of my career came from the education I got at Berkeley. And so often I've been sort of valued as the person in the room who understood all the disciplines.
Probably coming to Berkeley and being at the school and being in the libraries where you can pretty much find absolutely anything you ever want. Those are some of the best things, in addition to the food.
One of the best parts about coming to UC Berkeley was that it is an extremely stimulating environment where you get to learn from the best people in their fields, and also you get to meet very intelligent people from very diverse backgrounds, and all that in the beautiful setting of the San Francisco Bay Area.
The best part about coming to Berkeley was the prospect of self-growth. You're known for the rigor, you're known for the challenges that it imposes on you, which essentially forces you or gives you the opportunity to grow, and I was very excited for that, essentially seeing my full potential, at least trying to achieve my full potential. The other part, which is also equally important, is the people that you meet, the college you meet, the friends you make, and the lifelong friendships you make, and relationships you build. So that was the best part about coming to Berkeley.
My ambition was shaped from that year. The ability to work and meet so many people so successful, so smart and passionate about their respective topics inside and outside geotech engineering made me set the bar to where I have it now.
My favorite part of going to Berkeley was the culture and the diversity. I loved being surrounded by so many different kinds of people from so many different places, high caliber people, quality people who could really teach you so much about where they were from.
My fondest memory is no doubt the connections and personal relationships that I had, the times that we spent together as grad students, It picnics at professors' houses in the backyards, on field trips. Just all of those relationships have really.
A 2-day geology trip in the Sierras, where we learn a lot about the magnificent geology of the place, while also bonding with my classmates, camping, having fun, and sleeping outdoors at night in the forest underneath the beautiful stars.
My fondest memories from grad school days at Cal has to be the group soccer matches that we had. Those were awesome. I miss those quite a bit.
I'll always remember our trip with Professor Sitar up in the Sierra Nevada, camping outdoors, or the sensation of that 45-degree slope.
And I was talking to John Bray, who was my undergraduate advisor, and I told him this, that I was quite scared and wasn't sure that I belonged at Berkeley. And he said to me, everybody here belongs here. Everyone here can succeed here, and so can you. And you just need to have some faith in yourself. And that made an impact on me, and it sort of changed my mindset moving forward.
So I wish you the best in your choice. I hope it's Cal, and I hope to see you one day on campus. All the best.